What is the accounting cycle? The accounting cycle is a step-by-step process used to record and manage financial transactions. It shows how a business records transactions from start to finish. In simple words, the accounting cycle is the complete process of preparing financial accounts. The accounting cycle begins when a transaction happens. It ends when financial statements are prepared. The first step is identifying financial transactions. These include sales, purchases, payments, and receipts. The second step is recording transactions in a journal. This is called journal entry. The third step is posting journal entries to the ledger. The ledger groups transactions by account. The fourth step is preparing a trial balance. A trial balance checks whether debit and credit totals are equal. The fifth step is making adjusting entries. Adjusting entries correct errors and record unpaid or unearned items. The sixth step is preparing financial statements. These include the income statement and balance sheet. The final step is closing entries. Closing entries reset temporary accounts for the next accounting period. The accounting cycle is repeated every accounting period. It can be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The accounting cycle helps ensure accuracy and consistency. It is very important for businesses, students, and accountants. In simple terms, the accounting cycle shows how financial records are created step by step. Easy way to remember. The accounting cycle means record, check, adjust, and report.